my Kawasaki Versys has to be inspected. Welcome back to a new video from Terrific Bike Adventure. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like it. We are on our way to Gerolstein, where we will first refuel and wash the motorcycles. These got dirty after our camping holiday. Videos of this holiday can be found on my channel or by clicking on the link above. Going to clean the motorcycles after our camping adventure. They're a little bit dirty. After giving our motorcycles a good wash, my Kawasaki Versys has to be inspected. Every 2 years, a vehicle in Germany must be inspected by one of the recognized inspection stations. After this inspection, the vehicle will receive a sticker indicating until when the inspection is valid. During this examination, an engineer will check approximately 150 points. The main points are the braking system, the steering system, the tires, the visibility conditions, environmental impact, identification, axles and suspension, the chassis and the lighting equipment. After the inspection, we will drive back home and I will show you how I clean and lubricate my chain. So, motorcycle has been checked up. Now we can drive legally for another 2 years. After washing the motorcycles, the chains are a little bit dry, so they need to be lubricated again. I'm gonna do that. I do it my way. I'm not a professional. I hope you found it a little bit helpful, and I'm gonna show you. First I'm going to clean it with this chain cleaner. I'm just driving my motorcycle a little bit back and forth because I don't have a center stand. But that should be a nice upgrade for the next time. I'm going to brush the chain. Now I'm going to put a little bit of chain cleaner on the towel and then rub it. It's also good to clean the sprocket as well. I'm satisfied, and now I'm going to use this OX ring chain spray to lubricate the chain.